Yes sir, Lavelle Motorworks. Alright, so y'all, today I'm teaching y'all how to fix a broken screw in your casing. If y'all ever tighten them up with y'all guns or whatever, y'all building motors or y'all engine builders out there, y'all ever break off a screw like in them banties and stuff, and some 4-strokes, and you break the screw off, all you need is a flathead, a new screw, and a Dremel with a grinder bit on it. You see? That's all you need. You can see where I already started, but my phone went dead, so I'm gonna do it again. Just a little bit. You don't want to go too deep. I'm sorry, y'all. Trying to hold this phone. Boom, and you're good. And after you do that, you stick your flathead in there like this, and you twist it out, just like that. Twist it out. And you notice I didn't go deep. So guess what? He's still smooth right here. You can see where my grinder touched it, but it's still smooth. It ain't put no dent in it. Then you put your new screw in there. Boom, you good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover on there, put both screws in there, and my job right here will be done for my lesson of the day. Y'all have a good day. Lavelle Motorworks. Get your money right, get your bike right.